In this video, I'll show you how to build a fully customized filter panel in Oracle AJAX using pure HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. You'll learn how to pass filter values to AJAX page items, trigger AJAX-based refreshes, and display real-time data updates without reloading the page. This step-by-step walkthrough will help you design modern, responsive filter UI components using Select2 controls, modal layouts, and dynamic regions, perfect for dashboards, reports, and analytics pages. First, I went to the Page JavaScript section in Oracle AJAX and added the Select2 library by including this URL. Next, in the CSS section, I added the Select2 style sheet by using this URL. After that, I created a new region and named it HTML filter. This region will hold all of our custom HTML filter controls. Inside the HTML filter region, I added a simple HTML structure. Here, I created a Select2 drop-down for the customer filter and two buttons, one for search and another for clear. The search button calls the search JavaScript function, and the clear button calls clear filters. This layout lets the user choose a value and instantly refresh the report. Next, I initialized the Select2 plugin using JavaScript. This script targets all elements with the class Select2 enhance and activates Select2 with a placeholder and clear option. So now the drop-down becomes searchable and much more user-friendly. I checked the PM_customer table, and I'll use customer_no and customer_name to create a Select2 AJAX log. Since Select2 requires JSON, I'll return the customer data as JSON through an AJAX callback. This is my AJAX callback. It reads the search term from G_X01, queries the PM_customer table, and then builds a JSON array with ID and text fields. Select2 will use this JSON to show the customer list dynamically. Now I'll copy this code and create a new AJAX callback process in AJAX. For the AJAX callback, you must give a name in capital letters without any spaces. So I'm naming mine PM_customer. This name will be used later when calling the AJAX process from JavaScript. Now I've pasted the PL SQL code into the AJAX callback. Next, I'll go to the function and global variable section. From here, I'll write the JavaScript code that will call the AJAX process and load the Select2 drop-down dynamically. Here, I'll use the same application process name that I created in the AJAX callback. And inside the hash sign, I'll put the ID of my HTML item so Select2 knows where to load the data. Since my HTML dropdown has the ID customer, I'll copy that and paste it into the function and global variable section. This connects the Select2 script directly to the correct HTML element. Now we can see that the data is coming correctly. Next, I'll apply a simple CSS style so the filter area looks cleaner and more professional. Now we can see the filter coming in a proper, clean layout after applying the CSS. The UI looks much better and more polished. In the search function, I'll replace apex_item with my actual page item, for example, p20_customer. Then inside hash ID, I'll put the HTML element ID, which is customer. Finally, I'll add the report region's static ID inside apex.region.refresh so the data refreshes instantly when the user searches. Now we can see that when I select a customer and click the search button, the value is successfully passed into the Apex page item. So the connection between the HTML filter and Apex items is working perfectly. Now I'll add another customer and check if it appears in the HTML filter to confirm the data is coming dynamically. We can see that our filter is now working perfectly. Now I'll add two more fields, from date and to date, so users can filter the report by a specific date range. I added to date inputs, one for from date and one for to date. These will allow users to pick a date range for filtering. Next, I'll update my existing JavaScript functions to include the new from date and to date values so these dates also get passed into the Apex items during the search. Now I'll move all the Apex page items under the HTML filter region, then delete the old filter region. After that, I'll simply hide the page items since the actual input will come from our custom HTML fields. Now, if we want, we can easily change the color or style of the clear button or any button just by updating the CSS. So that's it for today. We've built an advanced, fully custom search filter in Oracle Apex, where we can design the UI exactly the way we want and still perform powerful, complex searches in real time. You can now extend this same approach for any report or dashboard in your application.